Hey guys, it's Kanto. Today we're going to be playing some Clownercraft. I'm going to show you how to make a mob grinder. So you want to start with a nice little 4x4 area. And then you want to build up about 30 blocks. And by the way, you're going to need a lot of water for this project. So if you don't have buckets yet, you're going to need them. No, I lost my bucket. Oh well. Yeah, get rid of that. There. Swim bucket. And what else can I get rid of? Don't really need this right now. There. 2 buckets is all you need. Now, gotta build up all the way. Now this mob trap is ideal for when you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This mob trap is ideal for when you have something like a sky block where you live close to the ocean. It's not ideal for when you have a lot of caves underneath you, because that would fill up the mob cap and the mobs go in there and not here. So I should also mention this thing is great for sky blocks. I used it in my sky block. Uh-oh. Oh no. Gotta go get my stuff back. See here. Pick this up. Okay, and slash home. Okay, back to the tutorial. Get to the top of this. I just saw this great water ladder trick, but I don't know if it really works. See, and we've almost made it to the top. Okay. Alright. Alright. So, back at the top. And now we're gonna have to build out 8 in each direction, like that. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Uh, One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if my calculations are correct, that's 6, 7, 8. Okay. And build around here. Okay, now what you want to do is fill in all the cobblestone on the sides here from this corner to that corner, so I'll come back and I'll be done with that. And we're back. Okay, I just have one more corner to fill in, and then I'll be done with this part of the tutorial. Now, just gotta fill in the corner. Okay, now we're good. Now we need to build a 2-high wall around the whole thing. So I'm gonna build a 1-high wall and then extend it up. Okay. Okay. Now that's done. Now we need to build up top. So the last portion is to build a roof on top of the building here. So get that one piece of cobblestone. Gotta fill it in. Come on, fill it in. I'm gonna fill in the top roof. I have an idea on how to make this better. So, if I could, they gotta take this part back. Mining cobblestone, gonna take cobblestone, cobblestone. Down again! Why? I don't want to do this anymore. That's not fun. Oh. I don't want to keep dying. I need to fill on that roof with something. I don't want to keep dying. Yes! Wonderful. Up we go, 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 the vines. Wonderful. Okay. Now you gotta fill in the roof with something. Now the great thing about the roof with this design is that it doesn't matter what you fill it with because no one's gonna see it. So I'm gonna fill as much of it as I can with cobblestone, and if I run out, I'm gonna go on to stone brick. And if I run out of that, then I'm gonna, I don't know, use watermelon or something. Gotta fill in the roof. Oh crap! I need to get some more torches. torches. Crap. I need me my torches. Crap. In here, I need coal. I need to find some coal. Oh, there's some. Got it. Dumb. Okay. Coal there. Torches. Finally, got the torches. Finally. There's my steak. Why isn't that loading? That's better. That's nice. That's okay. Up we go. Up we go. Up we go. Okay, it's filled in. It's loaded. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop the video and come right back in just a second. Hey guys, we're back. Okay, alright, yeah, woohoo! Back again in the New York groove with Ace Frehley and all that other great stuff. Okay. I'm back in the New York groove. I'm back in the New York groove. That's a great song. I'm back in the New York groove. I'm back in the New York groove. Okay. Almost done. Can finish off this stupid iron mob farm. Not iron mobs. I'm back in the New York groove. I'm back in the New York groove. This also doubles as a tutorial, by the way. I wonder if I can make it through this whole thing and I won't need to get to use the have to use the smooth stone. Wouldn't that be cool if I could just finish off the tutorial? Like, it's gonna be a close call, I bet. It's gonna be a really close call. Yes! Wow! Okay, alright, now I need to fill in torches all over the top here so that I don't have any mob spawns on top of the spawner. That would be no good. This obviously isn't a problem during the daytime, but at the night it can become a problem. So we just need to put some torches around here. No particular order, just make sure you got enough torches to keep the place lit up. Okay. Oh, I forgot the most important part. Water. It's dark in here. I want to go back home. I want to go downstairs and finish the stupid farm. The mob. Finish the mob farm. Okay, finally. Fill it right in. Get down here. No, I'm gonna hope that this thing works. But we will see what happens. Oh, I know what to do. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay. This is gonna be a bit risky, but that's what life is all about. Probably stuffed with mobs. A little bit here. Now I need to fill in around the sides. So that it's not as bright. Inside the mob trap, I forgot to explain what I was doing, didn't I? So what I'm doing is I'm making a small tube to filter the light so that the mobs, so that we don't have reduced spawns inside the mob trap. So if we were to finish this, okay, tutorial, got a better tutorial, okay, come on, yes, I need some spawns. If I can get one mob to spawn in there and fall through, I'll be happy and I can finish this stupid video. I worked really hard on this. Come on, Minecraft, you can do it. Oh well. Come on, Minecraft. Give me some spawns. Give me some mobs. I don't want a mob. Stupid mob grinders don't even work. It works great in my skywalk. Here, let me show it to you. I had to go into creative mode to fly around. What's this? Oh, this is my tutorial world for the here we go. Up here. I wasn't cheating, I was just looking around. This is my skyblock, everybody. This is the it doesn't work right in my skyblock. Take that back. Here. Wait. get a lot of spawns. You know, fill it up, stir the pot, cook the gas. Yeah, see? Lots of spawns. And then they hop into the water. And then they fall to their deaths. This is an extension I built for Enderman to spawn. Get down. Yeah, it's supposed to work. And this is how it works, but you see, underneath the sky block, there's no caves. There's no caves, and the reason that's relevant is because caves are what causes the mobs to spawn, because it's dark inside the cave. By the way, wait. Well, I'm gonna finish this video and edit it, and then I'm gonna see if we can get any spawns. Bye, guys.